What's up, Flowstar fam? I'm Lexi, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do the crossover wrist spin color switch, and that looks like this. So to start this trick, what you're going to do is put your hand in between the 2 points of the Flowstar, and you're going to give it momentum going back and forth, and that is when you're going to open your other hand, palm facing up, like this. And you're going to be giving it momentum underneath this hand, and you want your wrists to touch each other. So lay that one on top flat like this, give it momentum, and you're going to flip it up and over to this side and catch it with the hand that was facing upward. So let's do that again. And then once you get down to the bottom, that's when you're turning your other hand out and holding it with 2 points like this. And then you go fast all the way around. You're just picking it up with the other hand each time. Once you get the crossover wrist spin down, that is when you're going to go into your color switch. On the downward motion, you're going to flip and turn your wrist facing upward, and then you're gonna make a fan with your hand going up. So the Flowstar is gonna open up flat, and you're gonna catch it with your other hand. So once you turn your wrist upward, you're finishing out the crossover wrist spin, and then you're grabbing it with your other hand like you would normally in the crossover wrist spin. So up, over, and then grab it underneath with your other hand right here, and then you finish it out, and then you can start again flipping the color like that. Thank you guys so much for watching this YouTube tutorial on the crossover wrist spin color switch. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.